let's find the function x of t with the differential equation of third derivative of the function x minus second derivative of the function x is equal to 0, where x of 0 is also equals to x prime of 0, which is also equals to the third constant, which is x double prime of 0, which is equal to 3. So we have the Laplace transformation for the third derivative of the function x minus second derivative of the function x is equal to Laplace transformation of 0. So it is same with the plus transformation for the third derivative of the function x minus Laplace transformation for the second derivative of the function x is equal to Laplace transformation of 0 is equals to 0. So we have Laplace transformation of the third derivative of x. So we have s cubed Laplace transformation of x minus s squared x of 0 minus s. We have x prime of 0 minus x double prime of 0. Minus Laplace transformation for the second derivative of the function x. So we have minus. Lagyan lang natin ang bracket. Later na natin distribute yung mga negative. So we have s squared Laplace transformation of x minus s x of 0 minus x prime of 0, which is equal to 0. So substitute na natin yung mga values. So we have equals lahat sila sa 3. So we have s cubed Laplace transformation of x minus, so we have s squared times 3. So we have 3s squared minus sx prime of 0. So we have 3s minus 3 minus s squared Laplace transformation of x minus x of 0 is equal to 3. So we have 3s minus 3 is equal to 0. So let's simplify the equation. So we have s cubed Laplace transformation of x minus 3s squared minus 3s minus 3 minus s squared Laplace transformation of x. Again, substitute na natin or distribute na natin yung negative sign. So we have plus 3s plus 3. This one is equal to 0. So we have 3s plus 3s. Then we have 3 and 3. Ang may iwan na lang is 3s squared. So we have s cubed Laplace transformation of x minus 3s squared. Then may iwan 3s squared minus s squared Laplace transformation of x. This one is equal to 0. So we can add 3s squared to the both side of the equation. So sa left side natin, remaining is s cubed Laplace transformation of x minus s squared Laplace transformation of x. This one is equal to 3s squared. So we can factor out Laplace transformation of x. So we have Laplace transformation of x times s cubed minus s squared is equal to 3s squared. So it means that the Laplace transformation of x is equal to 3s squared over s cubed minus s squared. We can factor out s squared. So we have 3s squared over s squared times s minus 1. Pwede na natin siya simplify. So we have Laplace transformation of x is equal to 3 over s minus 1. We will use inverse Laplace to get the function of x or x of t. So we will have x of t is equal to 3. Pwede ko na ilabas yung 3. Then we have times the inverse Laplace of 1 over s minus 1. In this case, this one again, inverse Laplace of 1 over s minus lambda is equal to e raised to lambda t. Substitute lang natin. So, ang lambda natin dito is 1. So, we will get 3 times e raised to 1 times t. Or simply, x of t is equal to 3 e raised to 1 times t. So, we have e.